Hi everybody! Today I have another letter. Jody here. Let's read a letter. So I have in here an envelope and it came with I think like 3 different letters. One was really small from a kid, so I might break them up. These are like really difficult. They're harder than I thought they were gonna be. Did I only bring one up here? Well, first of all, this is September 21, 1943. This was postmarked in Kentucky to Private Addington. And this is going to Los Angeles. It's an APO. And I know my glasses do not match, but I got in here and that's what's in here. And you know, just gotta go with the flow sometimes. So, I got the purple glasses on with an orange outfit. Does that make any sense? No, not at all. Okay. This is written to Connie from a tutor. It looks like Geneva and Kitties. Kids probably meaning kids. And then we also have a letter, like a little kid's letter too. Look at this, a little kid drew a little letter. How cute is that? Here we go. Hello, Connie. Now, okay, back up the train a little bit. One reason that makes some of these letters really hard from back then is a lot of people don't know how to spell. The handwriting is bad. You know, there's some stains. Some of the writing is kind of, when it's spelled wrong, or like, a lot of it is like a sound X. The word is completely wrong, but I guess it makes sense. So, and then the dialect is different. These people, I think, were Southern Kentucky. So my dialect, their dialect, is going to be totally different in even today's version. So we'll just see what we got. Hello, Connie. A short note before now. See, now is spelled K-N-O-W. Okay. And so my brain kind of like stops to think. Okay, let's keep going. So, a short note before now, but don't do it, and don't know why I don't. Just been working every day. You ask about our tobacco. Yes, we got it all in and been baling hay for the last 3 weeks. I have about 9 bales of hay already. Just started on beans. Got them all cut up and it raining today, but I hope it don't rain tomorrow. I guess I can get them all baled in about 2 days. With a poor baler, they won't be over $4. $4? Okay, it's written like $4, like, but I think it's over 4 more bales. Okay. The poor baler, they won't be over 4 more bales. No more port, and then I guess it will be corn gather time by then. Some people don't gather a litter. Litter? I think it says litter. Wait, like a litter box? Like a litter of cats? What are we littering? I don't know. And also, this whole letter is like one huge run-on sentence. So, there's no periods in here. So, it's hard to like know like when to start and stop. Okay, let's get going. Okay. Okay, so some people don't gathered a leader, but it most no easy yet. I cannot read this. I can't read this. Okay, let's just start over here. Okay, no more port, and then I guess it would be corn gather time. By then, some people don't gather a litter, but it must no early yet. It got cold at the nights. Don't know when it's going to frost. This has been such a, it looks like frig. Frig, is that kind of a word? Wait, did people use the word frig back then? Looks like frig. There's no periods. I'm gonna be known as like the sucky reader. You asked in your last one, Tutor has never heard any more from the draft as yet. Some that has children has had to take more examinations and tests, but I don't know any with children that has went. The girl that doesn't know how to read letters. Just saying, just saying. We have plenty of apples this year. Don't you wish you had a bushel to eat? I've not canned so many as of yet, but I will have winter apples to put up. Oh, that does sound really, really good. That sounds so good. I love apples and bananas. Janita Weatherhead is not any better. I don't reckon she is in some ways, and others she gets worse. She is supposed to have heart dropsy. That doesn't sound good. I reckon I don't think the doctor really knows. Well, poor Juanita. Okay. Kathleen named her baby Alice Lee. Her husband put the Alice. He wanted Alice Marie, which I don't think much of either. Well, I think Alice Lee and Alice Marie are really cute. Those are cute. I really like that. Guess I better close as Poppy's getting shut. So those are the flowers and they shut at night, if you don't know. They're like bright orange. They'd match really good with my outfit today if it wasn't for the purple glasses. Just saying. And I will try to write more often now that we have got home. I'm really tickled to get back to. Love from all of us, Tutor, Geneva, and the kitties. Aww. And I know from like the other letter, I know this one like the baby had wrote on it, so they like let the baby scribble some. Isn't it cute? That's really cute. It says, this is the baby. She want to do nothing but chew on the pencil. Oh, it's cute. Oh, so cute. I miss having babies. If you haven't been told, Elaine now has 5 teeth and can walk clean across the floor before she sits down, and won't be 9 months old until the 4th of the month. Better than Randall did. He was only standing alone at 9 months. Can walk under the table and not bump her head. Well, that's pretty good. But she can easily, as she is now. Okay, so this is Uncle Buck's. Randall said, tell Uncle about my pony. Aw, from Randall with love. Aw, that's cute. So yeah, it was a letter from a family and they had like the kids write on it too. That was special. I love that. Super cute. So I have another one, which hopefully I didn't put where the dog can get at it because we'll never get it back. So I have another one coming up that was in here too. Until next time, make sure to like and subscribe if you like these letters. And leave me a comment to let me know what you liked. And if there's any areas that you would like me to try to find and read, I would love to be able to find something from one of your areas to read. That'd be fun. That'd be really fun. I'm thinking about even getting some copies and not necessarily like the actual things, because I don't really care if I resell these or not. So, and I don't want to keep them. So I'm thinking I might go out and try to find like some copies, like at local places. So, okay. Bye everybody. I'm really tickled. did not tinkle. I'm really tinkled. Trying to say it again. I'm really tinkled. Oh. Oh my word, did I just say that?